Most importantly, have a support system in place. People that you trust. Tell them your problem. There is no problem to go to a sheikh or to go to a friend or to go to a parent or a husband or a wife to tell them that I need your help. I can't quit smoking. And by the way, smoking is haram, whether you like it or not. Don't joke around it. Allah gave us that body pure and clean. And He said, do not throw it into destruction. The Quran said, وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ. Do not ever throw yourself into destruction. When you buy a pack of cigarette, you know, and I know, that there is a warning on it. What is the warning? Cigarettes, by the way, kills. That's what they say. Or smoking causes cancer. Do you think Allah will allow something like this? Do you think that Allah will say that this is makruh? Wallahi, it's haram. I remember one day a brother came to me and he was challenging me. He said, cigarettes is not haram, it's makruh. Don't tell us it's haram. I said, no problem. Take a cigarette, please. I say, you're smoking? Take one cigarette. Put it in your mouth. Light it up. And before he lighted up, I said, wait. Say, repeat after me. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Before smoking, I told him, say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Why? Because before we eat and drink, what do we say? So why would you not say Bismillah before smoking? Tell me. Tell me, brothers, it's haram or halal or makruh. You lie to yourself because you justify that which is unacceptable. You wanted to halalize the haram. That's what you want. You want to halalize the haram. And I told him, after you finish smoking, you say, Alhamdulillah, who burned my lungs, you know.